morning. Trying to put myself up here. Hold on. Trying to get myself together. Not having much of an easy time of it this morning. I took some extra time with getting ready. And I don't regret it, but I am running a little behind schedule. Which is fine. It's okay. I got plenty of time. I'm good. And if I don't, oh well. Anyway, Happy New Year, guys. Hope everyone had a good New Year. Mine was quiet. It was quiet. Let me tell you, I was in bed by 8 o'clock. I was in bed by 8 o'clock. I was like, fuck it, I'm out. And that's exactly, I was out, man. Yeah, 8 o'clock that night. Oh, shoot. Okay, well that wasn't the plan. I was just trying to hook up the charger. That's okay. Here, we'll put you back in there. Now you're nice and snug. I gotta still stop and get gas. I need gas. Yesterday's me said, fuck it, I'll just go on the way to work. And today's me is like, you fucking bitch. Why would you do that to me again? But anyway, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stop at the gas station and then we're gonna go to work. Ooh, this is icy. Icy, icy, icy. Hope we make it down the hill. Here's to not dying. Here's to not dying in 2026, bitch. Oh, shit. Okay, the bottom of this hill, I'm going to completely stop before I even get to it because it's nothing but a sheet of ice right there. So I'm just going to stop and then roll over it and hope for the best. Okay. Woohoo! We got the best. Yeah, it's been a crazy last couple of days. I got my visit. I posted, I don't know if you saw the reel or not, that we were buried under some snow. Because I asked the trees for a blizzard, and I asked you guys, pray for me, pray for a blizzard for me, and y'all brought that shit. Dude, y'all brought that shit. Let me tell you, we got buried under like 6 or 7 inches of snow. And I still got my visit because the landlord did plow and salt the hill. So she was able to make it at least up the hill. She almost didn't make it past the mailbox and stuff. Because it was like really thick. She said she kind of slid a little bit. But she made it, man. So that's always good. She did make it. So we had a really good visit. She stayed for about 3 hours, and that was nice. We got to catch up, and it was really good to see her. I was really glad she got to come and visit. She is like one of the few people, so few people, that when they say, oh, I'm gonna come visit, I'm like, cool, can't wait to see you. Everyone else is like, God damn it. Seriously. There are so many other people when they say they're coming to visit. I'm like, God damn it. Fuck. But she is one of the ones where when she says, hey, I'm going to stop by for a visit, I'm like, woo, yay. That's awesome. Cool. Can't wait to see you. I have a cousin that I wish would come to visit. If he called and said, hey, I'm stopping by for a visit, I'd be like, awesome. Dude, that's fucking amazing. You know, everybody else is like, fuck. But anyway, hold on. I'm going to pause you and I'm going to get gas. Okay, got the gas. I got the gas. Oh, I don't need that rear one anymore. Let's put that one on. Hi. Anyway, let's clear these trip meters. Hey, I forgot to ask. I totally forgot to ask. Do you guys notice anything new or different about me? Oh, my hand smells like gas. Do you notice anything new or different about me? This thumb has decided it wants to join the I'm fucked up party. So, yeah, now I have to wear both gloves. So that's awesome. Now I have 2 fucked up thumbs. I'm pretty sure you can live without other thumbs. I'm pretty sure you can live without thumbs. You can. You can do things. You might be slower at it, but you can still do things. I'm gonna cut these motherfuckers off. Wow, this is the time I'm usually pulling into work. That's all right. I'm always early. It's fine. You know, a street light here would be helpful. Just a second. Okay, we gotta take the mountain pass, which I have to say is maintained so much better than the highways and the main roads. Let me tell you, they maintain this guy right here. They do a job, I tell you. Oh wow. And you guys, guess what? The moon, I took a picture of the moon. I haven't looked at it. I haven't looked at the pictures. I took like a whole bunch of pictures of the moon because it's a super full moon. It's a full super moon. But right now it has like this aura around it, like a rainbow, like gold, and then it branches out and then there's like a rainbow ring around the gold aura. It's so beautiful. And I fucking know that my camera did not capture that shit the way it should have, the way I see it. I know the camera did not, because I see it and it's, oh my God, fucking the most gorgeous shit I've ever seen in my life. Okay? But I know that camera did not do it even slightly remotely, the slightest bit of justice. It did not. I already know. I can already tell. It's beautiful though. It's like there is this aura around it, and around the outside edge of the aura is a rainbow. And I've never seen a rainbow around the moon before, and it is so cool. It is like so fucking cool, man. That is like the coolest shit ever. So yeah, it's interesting. Interesting indeed. Um, my extra day off yesterday, I made some chicken porridge. And that was good. That was nice. Because we haven't had porridge in a while. And everybody likes it. It's something everybody likes. But the short grain rice, dude, let me tell you, to buy the short grain rice that you need to make the porridge, okay, first of all, it only comes in one size. I can only ever find it in a 5-pound bag, which is not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. But it's expensive as fuck. And depending where you buy it, it's anywhere from like $9 to $12, depending on where you buy it. Okay, so there's that. Plus, it's hard to find. There's only a couple places that sell it. And so, you know, I paid $9 because I got it at work. I got it at work, so I only paid $9. But man, that stuff, I tell you. What is that noise? Okay, it's my tires on the road. You have any clue how loud that just was in my ears? I'm like, the fuck? It sounds like there's a fucking aircraft following me right now. That's how loud this sounds in my ears. Oh, it's gonna be one of those days. Yesterday, I had a migraine again. It's like I have one almost every day, you know? It's like an everyday thing for me. So anyway, I had a migraine with the little dots, the little white dots. I can't quit looking at the fucking moon, y'all. And now the clouds are kind of like drifting. Oh my god. I wish they made cameras that captured things the way your eyes see them. You know? I really do. And I'm sure they probably do. I'm just poor and can't afford one and wouldn't know how to use it even if I could afford one. That's the biggest thing right there. I couldn't afford one, and I wouldn't know how to use it to make it look like that, you know? No, my bank has this feature where, and I have to reorder a new debit card because mine's getting worn out. The strip on mine's worn out. My bank has a feature where you can personalize your debit card with a photo. So I've been doing that. I've been personalizing my debit card for the last 3 years with a photo. And it's nature shots that I take from around the house. Right now it's the view from my chair, out the window from my chair. The birdhouse, the trees covered in snow, the yard buried in snow. And I took that picture a couple of years ago. And I made that my debit card photo. So that's what's on my debit card, is just a big photo, a little photo of my yard, essentially covered in snow in the forest. And it's beautiful because it's a color photo, but it looks black and white. because of all the snow. And the only thing that you see any color, there's still like a few burnt orange leaves or brown leaves on the oak tree, and then the colors of the birdhouse. That's the only things that you see that have any color whatsoever. Everything else looks like this picture is in black and white. It looks like I photoshopped the shit out of it, but I did not. And that's the kind of photo I'm hoping that I get from these pictures I just took of the moon. I doubt that's what's going to happen. I'm going to look at them when I get to work, but I doubt that's what's going to happen. And I didn't put any kind of clippies or anything in my hair today. I'm just going to leave it down and just fucking let it do whatever the fuck it wants to do. Right now it looks pretty decent. I don't know what it's going to look like in a half an hour. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I'm going to go in and I'm going to get, this is the time I'm normally walking in the building, so I'm not doing too bad. I'm just gonna go straight in and get my soda and eat my Pop-Tarts, which I have today. Pretty cool. I remember Pop-Tarts. So anyway, I'm gonna end this here, and I'll check in with you probably tomorrow or something, or maybe later. Depends on what happens. You never know what's gonna happen. Some big exciting thing could happen, and I could be like, oh my god, you guys are not gonna believe this. But anyway, I'll check in with you guys another time, and thanks for coming. Bye.